This is a 2009 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter V6. All of the following features are included: 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a 4-wheel independent suspension, traction control, dusk-sensing headlights, a power driver's seat, and this vehicle has less than 68,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Southwest Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 4001 Interstate 30 in Greenville.